Hey! If you've downloaded the app and you don't hear any sound during the exercises, it means that the speech synthesizer language pack isn't installed on your Android phone. On most devices, these packs are already downloaded, but sometimes they're missing. Don't worry, we'll fix it in 2 minutes. Here's what to do. Go to Settings on your phone. In the search bar, type Text to Speech or Speech Synthesizer. Different Android versions have these settings in slightly different places. Choose Google Text to Speech Engine or Google Speech Recognition and Synthesis. Tap Settings, the little gear icon next to it. Install voice data or install language packs. Download the voice packs for your native language. The language you're learning in the app. Once the download is finished, restart the app or restart your phone just to be safe. That's it! The app will start speaking right away. If you can't find the exact menu, just Google your phone model plus text-to-speech language pack.